Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is witty. Let's discover what this fun word means. Witty means clever and amusing in the way someone speaks or writes. A witty person can make clever comments that are both funny and entertaining. Here's an example. He is known for his witty sense of humor and always makes everyone laugh. This means he makes clever and funny comments that entertain the people around him. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word witty? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats! Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English with us. See you soon!